So much of our lives depends on our muscles that the thought of not having them seems ridiculous, to the point where you cannot imagine just picking up a teacup or a backpack and going to work. But that underlines how important muscles are in our life. Their function also sets the pace for our bodily metabolism. Many studies follow a logical reductionist approach to understanding them outside a living animal, but it is critical if we want to understand what goes wrong in disease, to understand what happens to muscles inside a living organism. For example, cues like nutrition, immune signals, physical forces, all come together only in a living animal. So in our lab, we study muscle repair and maintenance inside living animals, specifically fruit fly. Using Drosophila genetics, we can vary internal conditions and ask fundamental questions. Questions like, how do adult muscle stem cells contribute to muscle repair at a molecular level? Mature muscle cells are large and long and have many nuclei per cell. So is there a maintenance localized, and how so? What actually goes wrong at a cellular level, and which is what results in debilitating muscle disease? What are the cellular processes that we should focus on to fix these diseased muscles? The details of what we are finding may have far-reaching implications in the future. For instance, our initial findings suggest that muscles may be sensitive to tension in the underlying muscle. We find that inside a muscle cell there appears to be regionalization of cellular function, although there's no apparent compartmentalization. We have seen with specific mutations resulting in human disease have similar effects in flight muscles. So we can look at those mutations and see how they affect human disease. At a later date, after building a extensive systematic understanding of a fly's muscles, we might be able to solve biological mysteries behind muscle diseases. Much discovery remains to be had, and we are here to do it. If you would like to join our group or support us at our research in any way, we really appreciate it.